These are two new baits. They're called Money Badgers, and I worked with the design team on both of them. This was the first one. This is the Deeper Diver Money Badger. They're very high action baits. Corey Sprengel also worked with me. My duty was action, okay? I wanted to fine tune the action and work with them on action. Corey wanted the baits to be very castable also. I did the testing on the original one in November in northern Wisconsin when the water was just about ready to freeze. My gut told me that I wasn't going to catch anything on them, but I had to do some testing. We just got done with the very first prototypes, and so I was anxious to get them out on the water. When I trolled slow enough on lead core with these baits, essentially they outfished every other bait that I tried, almost 2 to 1. So I found out that you need to try the Money Badger whenever you're fishing other baits. You don't know when the fish really want them. You have to let the fish tell you that story. So that's the one lesson I learned with the high action Money Badger. When we built the shallow version, we even did some more things. Corey really likes to cast. He really casts these baits all the time. We went to the circuit board technology. The one thing that's really cool about the bill is everything that it touches, it bounces off. So again, the story here really is, don't let your emotions or your gut tell you when the fish are going to want something. You need to try it yourself. You need to try different speeds, whether it's trolling or casting, and then let the fish tell you that story.